In this video, we're going to have a look at one of the most popular cars we sell at RiiRoo. Today we're going to have a look at the Mercedes-Benz SL65 AMG licensed ride-on car, which is one of our favourites. Not only is the styling and smooth lines so close to the real thing, you'll be surprised at the sheer attention to detail they have gone into when producing this classic. It's suitable for children between the age of 3 and 5 years old, but I must stress this can vary from child to child. As we take a look around the outside, you'll notice both the Mercedes badge and also the AMG badge look exactly like the real thing. That's because this is a fully licensed version, which means we have the full blessing of Mercedes to use their branding. If you have ever looked at the real thing, you may have noticed that it has diffusers at the front and also at the back of the vehicle. And guess what? Our SL65 has exactly the same features, and the designers have spared no expense to get the car looking like the real thing. The great thing about the Mercedes is the fact that it has working front and back lights that make it look stunning at night. It has a black see-through windscreen and a full set of realistic alloy style wheels that also have the Mercedes branding, giving it that authentic look. Now if we take a closer look at the tyres, you'll see the attention to detail of the tyre tread. And again, even though this is a toy, the tread on the Gripmore's tyres have been designed for your child to really picture themselves driving the real thing. It has some great wheels and realistic looking brake calipers. Now the features don't stop there. As we press up and down on the front and rear of the car, you'll notice it has independent suspension. Looking around the back of the car, you'll see a set of twin exhausts just like the real thing, and also a boot that opens with the battery pack enclosed. Now as I mentioned previously, the Mercedes SL65 has working backlights that make it look really cool in the dark. It has a 1 seat capacity, which means it is designed to seat one child. The dashboard lights up in blue and it's similar to the front and rear lights. It looks absolutely amazing in the dark. The car has forward and reverse gears, a foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Unlike other cars on the market, the doors open and close and you can really tell the workmanship that's gone into making the experience for your child as lifelike as possible. Now let's talk about the media player. Not only does it have a USB input, it also allows you to use your own USB stick with MP3 music. And don't forget, you also have the ability to turn the volume up or down, skip tracks, and you can also do that from the steering wheel. Don't worry if you don't have any music. Every SL65 comes with a selection of tunes pre-installed so your child can bob along while they're driving. Each Mercedes comes with two 30-watt motors and is rechargeable with a 12-volt battery. It also has parental remote control that allows you to override the control of the car whenever you like. The charge time is approximately 6 to 8 hours to a full charge, and a drive time of approximately 1 hour on a full charge. Now just remember, this will also vary depending on the type of use. It comes with a 1-year warranty on the motor and a 3-pin charger. At RiiRoo, all of our ride-on cars come with their own dedicated media center. That means you can either play pre-installed music, stories and lullabies, as well as your own music on the USB stick. In fact, if you purchase one of our RiiRoo 8GB USB sticks, they're already pre-formatted for you to download your own tunes. And if you're lucky, we'll even show you how to download your kids' favorite tunes onto the USB stick. If we look at the feature list, the approximate dimensions are 121cm long, 72cm wide and 49cm in height. It has a TF SD card, auxiliary in with the cable included, volume control so you can turn the music up or down, a working horn, you can skip tracks either on the media center or from the steering wheel, has a safety belt, has a 1-seater capacity, the power is 12 volts, it has a functioning boot with battery access, plastic wheels with Gripmore's strip, realistic wheel tread, realistic alloy design, brake caliper detail, functioning doors, forward, reverse and park gears, gear change with the stick, front and rear suspension, front and rear lights, dashboard lights, key start like the real thing, startup sounds, and a remote control. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free 1-day delivery if you live in the UK, as long as you order before 1 PM. And don't forget, we also offer our customers the option of purchasing a 1-year extended battery warranty.